This video you're seeing looks real, but it's not. And no, it wasn't made by Google VEO 3, not OpenAI either. You're actually watching something made by a tool hardly anyone's talking about yet. And believe it or not, it might already be better than VEO 3, but here's the thing. It's not free for most people. Except, I found a working trick, a smart little method that gives you unlimited access, completely free, no hacks, no fake websites, just a real workaround that works right now. Follow my steps exactly, and you'll unlock it too. Let's jump in. The tool is called Dramina AI, built by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. While everyone was losing their minds over VEO 3, they were quietly building something that's smoother, faster, and just feels more real. Now here's how to unlock it for free. Get a VPN. I'm using NordVPN. You can use the link in the description to get yours at a discounted price. Now connect to any African country. I'll choose Nigeria. While connected, go to Dramina AI. The link is in the description. Click sign up and use a fresh Google account, one you haven't used there before. Fake birthday? No problem. If it says 0 credits, that means it's working. But it'll also say not available in this country. That's expected. Now disconnect and reconnect your VPN, this time to the UK or any country in Europe. Refresh the page, and boom. The full video generator is now unlocked. You can make as many videos as you want, for free. Let me show you what Dramina AI can do. We'll start with something like a raccoon driving a tiny red car through a rainy city street. Select the latest video model. You can set the duration to 5 or 10 seconds based on your needs, and of course, you have several aspect ratios. I will select 16:9. Hit generate. There you have your video in 4K resolution just in seconds. Now let's try something cinematic. Drone shot over an icy forest at dawn. Cut to a person standing on a frozen lake. Cut to northern lights moving across the night sky. Hit generate. Look at this. It understands the story. It understands pacing. This isn't just a video tool. It feels like a real director helping you build scenes. And there's more. Once your video is done, click it. You'll get options to add smooth frame transitions, enhance video quality, and even make custom soundtracks. Let's try music. I'm asking the AI to generate audio for this clip, and it drops it in seconds. Now for the real test, let's go to Google's official VEO 3 demo page. They've listed the exact prompts they used in their famous videos. Normally, it takes them dozens of tries to get those perfect demo clips. But let's copy those same prompts and paste them directly into Dramina. First try only. No cheating. Now watch. Yeah, that's what I mean. This tool is keeping up, maybe even beating VEO 3. One last thing, AI avatars. On the side, click Avatar and upload any image. Choose Master Mode, still free with this method. Now just type what you want it to say, or upload a voice recording. Let's try this line.
This isn't the future, it's now. Anyone can create, no limits.
Look at the result.
This isn't the future, it's now. Anyone can create, no limits.
The lip sync is on point. It feels like a real person speaking. Now you can make digital humans say anything you want. Make ads, intros, full characters, all in minutes. This tool breaks the rules of content creation. And now you've got full access to it, free and unlimited. Everything you need is in the description. So go make something crazy. And if this helped you, a like and a subscribe goes a long way. I've got more secrets coming soon. Catch you in the next one.